Good morning, it's Florida day 14, I think. I've lost track of these days now. And today it is checkout day, so we're all packed up. Definitely over the weight allowance, but hey ho, it will be what it'll be. So now we are heading out to Disney Springs this morning. We've got like an hour and a half to be able to go and explore, pick up some last bits that we want to, put it in the hand luggage and then get going. So let's check out and get to Springs. So we are back at Disney Springs for the last time of this trip. We need to use up some remaining snack credits, so we need to get some sweet treats and some food, and then we also want to eat as well while we're here, don't we? Yeah, let's head to Goofy's, like Candy Car, I think it's called. Have a look, see how many snack credits we've got, see how many treats we can buy and bring home. And sometimes, I think it's like 50. Oh my god, that's so many. So sometimes we watch people's videos and we're like,
why are you bringing like presents home and treats? Use them on yourself.
But we now understand why people bring them home for presents, because you just have so many.
It's so hard to eat all.
Yeah, it's so hard to eat all the food, and that's coming from us who are massive foodies and love it as well. So yeah, people are going to be getting presents. So the question is, do we need anything from World of Disney while we're passing?
Well, you need no more things.
I need no more things, this is true.
Physically fit anything else.
I know.
Unless you've got snack room and that's it.
Oh man, and the poutine stand across from it that we've not been to yet either. Dragon Lego, that's where I will find Lee. I found you at the Dragon Lego!
I was looking at all the almost outside it's got scales. I think it's the Florida sun that's destroyed the bricks.
Oh wow.
The plastic up.
So first up is Ghirardelli. We've never been in here before, or even tried the chocolate, but everyone raves about it, so we're going to try it. Opposite the World of Disney and the Spitting Stitch. Oh, that sundae looks so good. Mickey sundae. Here comes Lee with a haul of chocolate.
That's like almost 2 kilograms of chocolate. For 3 quick service credits, we need to buy lighter things.
So there we go. We spent 3 quick service, got a lot of chocolate for that. But that's really, I think like, maybe this is the way to spend like a quick service.
I was literally yesterday, I was on about this saying that Disney needs to do something like that where you can like start converting snack credits for like more expensive snacks and stuff, because that's where we struggle. We bought so much because we couldn't spend the dining plan on it, and like now we're just buying stuff like,
definitely.
I need this, I need a cup when I get home.
So give it out to friends and family and keep it for us for the rest of the year. So we're heading over to Goofy's Candy Co now, which is just across the way. See what sweets we can pick up. It's gonna have to be lighter sweets, like flying saucers, full of flying saucers.
Kilogram of flying saucers.
Yeah, and like laces and stuff like that. They're like, aren't they? Gummy bears. No. We'll see. It smells so much like sweets in here. I think we need a basket again, like this is going to be fun.
How heavy is that?
It's actually really heavy. We're going to have to pretend it's really light.
We're going to get in so much trouble for this.
No, we're going to pretend that it's light, that it's not causing us pain to lift it all. And we've still got 16 snack credits to use up. So much food. So where are we going to go to spend 16 snack credits? I don't even think we could probably get anything else. We might have to forego 16 snack credits.
I don't like the sound of that.
No, I don't either, but I don't know where to get some lightweight things.
The last thing we can do is, with 16 snack credits, that's like $90 at Ghirardelli. So we could just go and blow the rest on that.
Cool, we'll keep on walking. Woo.
Hard work.
Hard work spending all this money. Free food money.
Absolutely.
More snacks. So many snacks. We've about cracked it now though. We might have completed it. We have just 4 snack credits left and we're going to use them on like drinks and everything.
I feel this has been like the most pressure I've ever felt.
Yeah, Lee said it was literally like supermarket soup where you're going like, I'll have this, I'll have this, I'll have this. All in like a time frame and everything.
There was that last segment there where we was walking through the till and we were like, there's things for snack credits.
Yeah, that we'd not seen before. We're like, yes. Lee was like, do you want this? I was like, okay.
We got a tin of mints.
Yeah, they're gonna go in car. But then the car will have Disney mints and it'll be all good. So now we're gonna head to Chicken Guy to use our last 2 quick service up before heading back to the hotel to catch the Tragical Express home. But I feel good, I feel exhilarated after this like free shopping spree. It's well fun.
I'm worried for how much we're gonna get charged.
I don't think we are. I don't think we are. I have faith in us. Faith, trust and pixie dust. And here we are at Chicken Guy now for some lunch. I hope it's open. Yep, there's people coming out. We're all good. Got our Chicken Guy. We've got a drink and the 5-piece tenders with 2 sauces each. Woo! Right, we are all shopped on Chicken Guy. How are you feeling, Lee?
Stressed out.
Why are you stressed out? I can tell you are.
Got like 5 kilograms of sweets and chocolate.
We've got 10 kilograms of hand luggage, we're fine. We'll jump back on once we've done at the airport and we'll show how stress-free it needed to be. But we're waiting for the bus back to the resort now so we can sort everything out and get the Magical Express back. So we're back at the hotel now waiting for the Tragical Express. I think this is how you hack the system and try and get as many things on board with you as possible. Bag on, bum bag on, lanyard on, neck pillar around your neck, holding your teddy, and all of our suitcases, all of our gear. So this is all of our cases plus this extra hand luggage baggage. So we're all set and ready to go now. So let's get on the Disney's Magical Express, head back to the airport, head home. It's going to be an awful lot faster for you than it is for me right now. Let's get home, let's do this. The longest journey ever, didn't it, Lee?
So long, we had
a
5-minute wait for the taxi because we got stuck in traffic on the way there, and then
we got stuck in traffic on the way back in the taxi. The plane ride was turbulent. We've had like 3 hours sleep and now I've got to stay awake all day. But we've had an amazing holiday.
I have to stay awake all day.
Well no, we could probably not. Because right now I plan on getting cosy. Lee's making egg on toast for us. For my poochies. Yes please. Why are the poochies here? Oh, come on my babes. Yeah, we're all back together. So we're going to have a nice chilled casual day today. So I think all that is left to say is thank you so much for watching all of these Florida vlogs and I hope you have enjoyed them. I've had the best holiday ever and I know you all will have already seen them all now, but I can't wait to edit them and watch it all back. So please give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching these vlogs And make sure you're subscribed if you're new to my channel and this is the first thing that you're seeing. I do all sorts of videos, Disney, vlogs, fashion videos, so if any of that sounds like something you would like to watch, then make sure you subscribe for all my future videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!